Krusty Krab pizza is the pizza for you and me. The Krusty Krab pizza is the pizza freedom and flurry. The Krusty Krab pizza is the pizza very tasty.
Will you let go of that stupid pizza already?
I can't. It's for the customer.
Who cares about the customer?
I do.
Well, I don't.
Squidward.
Let go of that pizza.
No.
Ow, SpongeBob! Let go of the pizza!
No. It's for the customer.
SpongeBob!